channel. Now let us solve the algebraic problems which are based on identity. Chapter 3, exercise 3.1. Question is 16, third subdivision. The question is x minus 2y minus 5 into x minus 2y plus 3. So we are going to split it into two forms, this one, which is what this one as x and this one as a, and this one as x and this one as b, which is what x minus a into x minus b form. So we know that x minus a into x minus b equals x square minus a minus b into x minus ab. So using that formula we are going to solve this one. Here x equal to x minus 2y, a equals 5, b equals 3. So which implies x minus 2y minus 5 into x minus 2y plus 3 equals x minus 2y the whole square minus 5 minus 3 into x minus 2y minus 5 into 3. So this is the form a minus b the whole square. So which can be expanded as a square plus b square minus 2ab. So that is x square plus 4y square minus 4xy. Then minus 2 into x minus y. Then minus 15. Then next we are writing this same as it is, x square plus 4y square minus 4xy. Then we have to expand this one by multiplying with 2, right? So it can be written as minus 2x minus into minus plus 4y minus 15. If there is any like terms, we can add or subtract. So all the terms are different. So this is what the solution of this question. Okay, let us go to the next question, which is what 17th second subdivision. X plus 1 by x into x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square. We know that it is the expanded form of a plus b the whole cube. That is a minus b into a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square equals a cube plus b cube. Right? Here a equals x, b equals 1 by x. Right? So which implies x plus 1 by x, x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay? That is x plus 1 by x, a cube plus b cube equals a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So which is equal to x plus 1 by x into x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square. So this is what the expansion of x cube plus 1 by x cube, which is the short form of this expansion. As I have already told you, we want to memorize both LHS and RHS of the identity. Sometimes the expansion form, we want to find the short form of this. Okay? Okay, next question is 18 second subdivision. We know that this is also in the form. We know that a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square equals a cube minus b cube. Here a equals x, b equals 3 by x. Right? So x minus 3 by x, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square equals x minus 3x into x square, x will get cancelled plus 3 plus 9 by x square, which is the expanded form of x cube minus 3 by x the whole cube. Right? Okay. Next, 19th question. The question is 2x plus 3y plus 4z into 4x squared plus 9 minus 12y z minus 8 z x. We know that a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equals a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, right? Okay. Here a equals 2x, b equals 3y, c equals 4z. So it implies 2x plus 3y plus 4z into 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 16z squared minus 6xy minus 12yz minus 8zx is equal to 2x the whole cube plus 3y the whole cube plus 4z the whole cube minus 3 into 2x into 3y into 4z. So which can be expanded as 2 cube is 8, then x cube. 8x cube plus 3 cube is 27y cube plus 4 cube is 64z cube. Then multiply these numbers, which is what? 3 2s are 6. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 into 6 is what you will be getting? Right? 72 x, y, z. This is what the solution of this question. Next, which is question number 20. We want to find the product of this one, that is x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 4. So it is in the form we know that x plus a into x plus b into x plus c equals x cube plus a plus b plus c into x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc, right? Here a equals minus 2, b equals minus 3, c equals plus 4, right? So for three terms there is, for different signs there is different formula, only one formula we want to use it. So that's why only I am using the same formula here. Only in the place of ABC we want to be very careful in substituting the value there. Okay. So which implies x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x plus 4 equals x cube plus a here is minus 2, b here is minus 3, c here is plus 4 into x squared plus ab here is minus 2 into minus 3 plus minus 3 into 4 plus 4 into minus 2 into x plus minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. So which can be written as x cube. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1 x square. Then here minus into minus plus 6. Minus into plus is minus 12. Plus into minus is minus 4 2s are 8 into x minus into minus here is plus. Then 12 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So which will become plus 24 there. And this can be written as x cube minus x square. Then here 20 minus 6 is what? Minus 20 plus 6. If you add this two, you will be getting both minus minus we want to add here. This will become minus 20. Then minus 20, then this plus 6 will become, what is it? Minus 14. Minus 14x plus 24. Right? Then next, this is for the solution of this question. Okay, next we will go to the next sum. Right. Question number 21. Find the coefficient of x square and x in the product of x minus 3 into x plus 7 into x minus 4. Same like the previous sum, we are going to solve this one. Okay, we know that x plus a into x plus b into x plus plus AB plus BC plus CA into X plus ABC. Here A equals minus 3, B equals 7, C equals minus 4. So which implies x minus 3 into x plus 7 into x minus 4 equals x cube plus A here is minus 3, B here is plus 7, C here is minus 4. Okay, then into x plus AB here is minus 3 into 7, then plus BC, that is 7 into minus 4, then CA minus 4 into minus 3 into x, then plus my bracket minus 3 into 7 into minus 4, which is what A into B into C. Okay, let us expand this one. X cube, that is minus 3 minus 4, here is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0x. 0, here x square, sorry, here x square, right? 0 x square plus 0 x square. Then here plus minus 21 minus 28 plus 12. 4 3s are 12. Here plus into minus minus 7 4s are 28. Minus into plus minus 3 7s are 21. The whole bracket x, then use plus symbol inside, minus into minus plus. So 4 3s are 12. 12 into 7 is what? 84. Which is what? Plus 84. So what we will be getting? X cube plus 0 x square. Here 20. This one, if you add this, what you will be getting? Both are same sign. So minus 49. Minus 49 plus 12. Greater number sign want to put minus. So which is what? 9 minus 2, that is 7. 4 minus 1, 3. Which is what? Minus 37 x plus 84. Okay, we have solved this one. But what is the question here is the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of x we want to find. So therefore coefficient of x square equals 0, coefficient of x equals minus 37. This is what the solution of this question. That is x square coefficient here is 0, x coefficient is with the sign we want to write it most important, right? Minus 37, 0. Okay. Next question is question number 22. If a square plus 4a plus x equals a plus 2 the whole square, we have to find the value of x. So from the given, we write that is a square plus 4ax is equal to a plus 2 the whole square implies a square plus 4a plus x, and we are expanding this one. Very easy and simple question. It is in the form a plus b the whole square. So which is what? A square plus 2ab, that is 4a plus 4. So both the sides, both are equal. Okay, both the terms are equal. If you bring this to this side, that also become minus. So opposite sides in the equation, both the terms are same with signs are not same, means then we can cancel that one. So which implies you are getting x is equal to 4, which is what the solution of x. Okay, let us go to the next question. Question number 23. Use a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square to evaluate the following. Okay. So the question here is, it is in the number form. We want to expand it. 1003 the whole square, and this can be written as 1000 plus 3 the whole square. Here a equals 1000, p equals 3. So which implies 1000 plus 3 the whole square equals 1000 square plus 2 into 1000 into 3 plus 3 square. So which is equal to, if square means 1 0, you want to put 2 zeros. So 3 zeros means totally 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 2 3s are 6. 6 into 1000, 6000. 10 plus 3 square is 9. So the solution is So from the last if you write, it will be easy for us to calculate. So 6009 you write it, then remaining after the 4 digit 1, 2, 3, 4 digit, what is that? Write it. So 100. So it is very easy way of calculation, right? Okay. This is what the solution of this 1003 the whole square. Same way the next one we are going to do, which is what? 110.2 the whole square, right? So which is what? Here this can be written as 10 plus 0.2 the whole square. Here a equals 10, b equals 0.2. Okay. So 10 plus 0.2 the whole square equals 10 square plus 2 into 10 into 0.2 plus 0.2 the whole square equals 10 square becomes 100 plus 20. Then here what it will become? Which is what? 20 into 0.2 plus 0.2 the whole square becomes 0.04. Okay. So which will become 100 plus 4 plus 0.04, which is equal to 104.04 is the solution. The next 997 the whole square. So you want to expand this in the form of a minus b the whole square. So this can be written as 1000 minus 3 the whole square. Here a equals 1000, b equals 3. So which is what? It is in the form a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Same like that. 6 zeros squaring, then minus 6000 plus 9. So which is what? We will be getting 994,009. If we add this to, you will be getting, then after subtracting this with 6000, right? Okay. 99,409 is the solution of that one. Next one. Here this can be written as 10 minus 0.2 the whole square. Here a equals 10, b equals 0.2. So which implies 10 minus 0.2 the whole square is equal to 10 square minus 2 into 10 into 0.2 plus 0.2 the whole square. So which is equal to 100 minus, which is what? 4 plus 0.04, which is what? 96.04 is the solution. So here 100 minus 4 becomes 96. Then plus 0.04, you will be getting 96.04 is the solution. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Please share and subscribe. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.